In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an existing project to Lovable AI. Open up Lovable, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, and then navigate to Settings. From here, underneath Connectors, we want to locate GitHub. So just click on GitHub, and in order to add an existing project, you will need to import it from GitHub. So click on Connect GitHub here, and then it is going to ask you to authorize Lovable developer here, lovable.dev. You want to click on that button and it is going to automatically connect it. Okay, so once your GitHub account has been connected to Lovable, we can go back and then click on all projects. And here it is going to detect your projects which you have linked to GitHub, and it is going to add, and you can use any existing projects which you have on Lovable AI. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.